have as much going on as I do today, but I really wanted to show a little bit of how I'm prepping for a big trip that I'm going on. My boyfriend and I are going to Montana. I'm gonna go visit my friend Kate. She's lived there for about 4 years, and she says this time of year is just beautiful, and I kind of know a little bit about it because of her photography. She's an exceptionally talented wildlife photographer, and because we live far apart, we don't get to see each other as often as we'd like. So we're gonna go spend some quality time with her, explore where she lives, and she's gonna take us all around. So that's what we're doing today. I've kind of designated this afternoon and evening for packing, cleaning, sorting everything out, trying to get organized. And I want to do little things that aren't essential but just make me feel a little bit more calm when I travel. Like, I like to clean out the fridge before I leave for a trip. I try to use up all of the groceries that we have so that, you know, nothing goes to waste and it's not sitting in there for too long. So we're going to be very economical about the meals today, use up all of our leftovers. And I'm also going to be creating a little, like a small hostess gift that we can bring for Kate. And I'm also getting my nails done, so I'm excited about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on packing, and then it will be lunchtime. So I'm putting together a hostess gift for Kate, and it's going to include this book. This is my copy, but I got her the exact same one. And with it, I've got these little silicone, they're multi-purpose, but they are lion shaped, and my friend Kate loves lions. She has been able to photograph some absolutely incredible lions, and she's also worked at some nonprofit rescues that have big cats, and so she just loves big cats, but especially lions. And I thought it would be fun to get her these. They can be used as little chocolate molds, or you can also just put water in them and freeze them as little ice cubes, and I thought they would be cute. They are a little bit more shallow than I was expecting them to be, but I think it'll be cool looking and it will go nicely with this. She's actually going to be moving soon, so I didn't want to get her anything too large, but I think this and a bar of chocolate, like a good vegan dark chocolate, would be a nice, just a little something to bring to her. This is a weird angle, but I have you on a little tiny tripod. I am gonna make lunch, and I know we have some kale and some Brussels sprouts because I filmed my shaved Brussels sprout salad recipe from my cookbook. I'll put it right here. So I have some more kale and more Brussels sprouts, and I don't want them to go bad while we're out of town, so I'm gonna make another salad, and that will be my lunch along with some sourdough bread and my favorite combo right now, which is sourdough bread, regular hummus, and then chili paste on top and a little lemon. Such a good combination. Love this color. It's very bright and happy, and they're really short, but I wanted it just to be clean and fresh. So that is done, and now I'm gonna make some dinner and clean out the refrigerator. I already know one component of dinner is gonna be the coconut and spinach dog from my cookbook. This is such a good way to get veggies into your diet, and I actually filmed how I made it when I made it last night, so you can see. I'll show you that in 1 second, but it's a really great recipe just to use for meal prep or for entertaining. It makes a good sized portion, and it's one of my favorite dishes when I want something that is comforting and hearty and flavorful, but secretly really packed with greens and goodness. The sauce is, it's 24 ounces of frozen chopped spinach, but it all gets blended with vegetables and spices and coconut milk. It just turns into this like luxuriously creamy sauce that you put like pumfu or tofu in and then serve it over rice, and it's really hearty and comforting. I feel like I already said that. I'm gonna be wearing these on the plane. These are vegan Doc Martens and I got them for my birthday. I've never had Doc Martens before and I love them, and I love that they have vegan options that are so beautiful and so heavy duty. Sorry, my dishwasher, the laundry, everything is going right now. Everything's being cleaned before we leave tomorrow morning. But yeah, these are so well made and heavy duty, and they just really elevate the outfits that I've been wearing them with. I'm so pleased with them. The one thing I will say, and apparently this is a Doc Martens thing, I've never owned Doc Martens before, they are so hard. Like, it definitely takes a while to break them in. Apparently that's true for all of the kinds, like the leather and the vegan leather, but I'm so glad that there are such nice, like, classic options like this. I'm not touching the bottom because these have been all over New York City and in the subways, so I'm trying not to touch them, but like, these are amazing. I think that when you're walking around the city, and especially with the kind of weather changes that we have here, it's just, it really comes in handy, and they're holding up very well. They have taken a very long time to break in though, like months, actual months, but they definitely get better and better every time. So wear the thick socks, wear the band-aids, it's totally worth it, and I think these are really cool. I'll link this style down below if you want to check it out. But yeah, I'm gonna be wearing these on the plane. I always like to wear the heavy boots on the plane, that way it doesn't take up so much weight in my suitcase. It's a little bit hard with security, but oh, I feel like I look so tired. It has been a day. I'm very tired. I'm going to maybe make some tea, definitely take a shower, wash my face, and get into bed. We are leaving ridiculously early, like 4 a.m. is when I have to wake up because our flight takes off first thing in the morning, and we did that because we're going to be landing in Bozeman in the morning still with the time change, and I wanted to make sure that we landed early because we are going to be driving to where my friend Kate lives, and I just want to make sure that there's daylight and that it's, you know, not a rush. Like, we can take our time, drive slowly, and have plenty of daylight. So we're getting up super early tomorrow, but I'm so excited. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in a video very soon. Bye.